Okay, we're at Copper Peak ski jump, and we're up in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and I'll read this to you here. Copper Peak is the Midwest's premier vista. How about that? Ride the 36-story, 810-foot chairlift to the crest of the hill, then take the 18-story elevator ride to the main observation deck of the world's largest ski jump / ski flying structure. From this vantage point, 1,782 feet above sea level and 1,180 feet above Lake Superior, one can see more than 2,500 square miles of the Lake Superior Basin, including parts of Michigan, Wisconsin, and across Lake Superior to the Minnesota-Canadian border. Specific points of interest include the Apostle Islands, Isle Royale, the Porcupine Mountains, and numerous historic sites. We've got Adam and Christina. They're trying to build up their courage to come do this. Copper Peak is the only ski flying hill in the Western Hemisphere. Built in 1970, this facility is owned and operated by Copper Peak Incorporated, nonprofit for the enjoyment of citizens in this area, region, and nation. Ski flyers can soar more than 600 feet on this hill. I'm not sure if this thing is still active in the wintertime. Kind of make it seem like it is. So I'm looking at Adam and Christina. They are still in the parking lot. Adam's trying to brave it up Christina to go on this thing. We'll see.
These fucking steps.
Well, look at this. There's an elevator.
Oh, you guys, yeah, I take a picture. Yeah.
Hold on, no, we're doing a video. Christina, do you want to go up on the...
I will not be going up on that.
What?
No.
Why?
Do you see how high that is? Do you see that little rickety thing, seat?
What? It's not so bad.
Oh, it's a chairlift.
Those little kids, what?
It's like what you do is you sit down and it just lifts you up.
Kids are dumb as shit. They will do anything.
All right.
They will eat bleach. No.
All right. What about you, Adam?
Okay, yeah, I'd go.
You'd go. See, Adam would go.
Yeah.
I went when I was like,
so what?
Let's get Adam in here. You've been up there before?
Oh yeah, we started going. Like, I think I was like 6 or so when first time I went.
All right, you've been doing this all your life.
Yeah, those chairs are trustworthy, 100%.
See, they were trustworthy back when you were 6.
Yeah, I mean,
right?
100.
Oh,
well,
that's
yeah.
giving me confidence.
Yeah, back in the day, they were fine.
40-year-old chairs.
There's strict regulations on these things.
Strict regulations up in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan.
I would trust this every single day.
Logically, that's not how it works. Up this crazy like ski mountain.
Yeah, ski jump.
I didn't sign up for that this morning.
You didn't know this was going to happen?
No.
All right, so I guess Christina does not want to go up there. Should we tell Christina our funny stories?
Maybe at the waterfall.
Okay, we'll wait.
Or on the walk or something.
All right, we'll tell our great stories from our experience last night. All right, so we're not going up the ski jump. Instead, we've opted to go to Rainbow Falls. You can see right here. And Adam and Christina are going down the trail already, so let's go down the trail. Keep our feet on the ground here and see what we got.